So guys, this is our garden. This is where we normally get our veggies. Some of them, not everything though. So like right here, we're having strawberries. Let me show you. Mhm. These are strawberries. A lot of them over here. Yeah, these are strawberries. Having some more over there. Even they are rotting because no one is taking them. My mom is the only one who is always at home, and she doesn't. I think she doesn't like strawberries. And this side we're having tomatoes. Those are maize. Those are maize plants, guys. Uh-huh. They are almost ready to be burnt. I like roasted potatoes, not potatoes, roasted maize. Yeah. And right here we're having this fruit over here. It's called tree tomato. Yeah, this is how it looks like. I'll show you the picture of this fruit when it ripens. Yeah, later. Right here we don't have the ripened one. I think someone picked them 2 days ago. Yeah, and here we having bananas. This is a banana. See from there up to that corner. Yeah, we're having a lot of bananas. My mom likes bananas. Yeah, and then hey, we have these other things. These are kales. Okay, although here in Kenya we call them skuma wiki, like pushes the week. Yeah, this is, and this veg, like you'll find it in each and every family. Like everyone has this kind of veggies here in the village. And these other ones, the small ones, these ones are tree tomato. They normally grows big. Oh my god, I'm being bitten by the safari hunts. We have a lot of safari hunts, especially during the rainy season. Oof. So it's been biting me like oof, a lot of them. Yeah, those are kales. Yeah, a lot of them. And now more maize over here. Yeah, just enjoy the view. And then, guys, at the other side of the farm, yeah, these are kales. The other side of the farm, those trees that you're not even trees, it's shrubs that you're seeing over there is passion fruits. Yeah, a very huge land with passion fruits. So let's continue. Oh my god, I just break a fruit, a very tiny one. I pray her that my mom will not see this one. Yes. So let's continue. Mm-hmm. More veggies, more maize, tree tomato. Yeah, more tree tomatoes. And the next one is avocado tree. This is avocado tree and it flowers right now. Like it's flowering season in my village. Yeah. Not even yeah, okay, in the valley. Yeah, it's even starts to have to have avocados like that one over there. Mm-hmm. It's a very huge tree. And the next thing here is this other fruit. Hmm. This fruit over here. I don't know the name. I think it comes from this passion fruit family, and it's normally like it's so sweet, and it makes very nice juice. It's sweeter than the purple passion. This one is normally like yellow in color. Let me show you the ripened one. That one. Oh, let me open it. I'll show you. That's what I want to get. That is what I wanna get. But I'm too short to get there. I wanted to show you like how it looks outside. So let me close from here, then I'll see you in a bit. So this is how it looks like when it ripens, and inside, let me show you how it looks from inside. I just had to break it with something else. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It's not like the other purple passion fruit, and it's so sweet. Mm. Maybe you tell me in the comment section the name of this fruit, because I don't know. I only know that it comes from passion family, and yeah, but it's sweeter, and it's normally seasonal. It's not. I'm eating it. Yeah, it's so sweet, and hey, like if even if you have someone who has say alters, oh yeah, alters can take this fruit. It doesn't. I think it doesn't have acid. It's so sweet. See? Yeah. Let me finish it. Then I'll take you. I show you more fruits and more. Hmm. 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 See? See? I just finished it. I finished it. Yeah. So let's go. Let's go. Oh, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Citrus fruit. Yeah. More strawberries for you guys. Mhm. Let's go get some onions, tomatoes, and yeah. So right here, see right here, we have rosemary tree. Yeah. This is rosemary, and I think yeah. Can you see it marinate my chicken, right? Have a look how beautiful rosemary is. It looks so cute. It smells so good. Let's continue. So this is the veggies that we're supposed to get. Yeah. Let me go get some onions first. It's how can I go to the? I'm trying to look for the shortest way. This one also is a type of a fruit here. This one here. It is like it normally has a very sweet fruit. I also don't know the name, but it comes from passion fruit family also. This is how it flowers. This is the flower from this. That's how it flowers. And when it flowers, the fruit is normally long. Then right here we have eh, this is beans. Yeah, it's a huge one. Yeah, some more maize. This is for me. This is for me for roasting. I like roasting the maize. Hello, a lot. Yeah, 20, 20, 20. Right here we have, right there we have napier grass. I don't like napier grass. I don't like them. They are so irritating, but it's for cows anyway. One day I'll let you there when I'll be feeding the cows. Yeah. So this is how the three tomato fruits look like. But I'll let us show you the fully ripened ones. Yeah. And then this is a phage. That's a phage. One of the local phages. And that's one of the local phages. Can I go use the right route? No, let me use this fence. I can jump. Oh, already I have my tomatoes with me. I brought them from the other farm. Ew, it's not easy. I don't wanna break this fence. So right now I have my rosemary and tomatoes. So these ones are veggies. Here we call it manaku. Manaku is a traditional veg, and it grows well in the in a fertile place. Yeah, like here we had the cows were sleeping in this place before they were displaced to other place, to another farm. So this is three tomato here. This is how it looks like when it ripens. It's so sweet. And someone told me that it hurts someone's blood. Like if you have less blood, you take more of these fruits. Take more of that fruit. Still we have this. Oh, it looks so cute. Look at it. It's a phage. But you can't eat this part. You just eat the leaves when they are still soft. Right now you can't take them. So right here, I wanna get some onions. And also onions. We normally get the fresh ones like this. For your for our supper. Yeah. Very fresh ones. And organic. See? See how it looks like. So fresh. So fresh. So fresh. Let's put it here. Yeah. Right now we are there. hmm And guys, right here, we also have this other type of berries. It's called gooseberries, and it has a very sweet fruits. Yeah, like when it ripens. I can't see one. I think my mom had already picked them. Maybe it's in the house. No, 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 it's here. It's right here. Yeah, this is how it looks like when it's ripe. Some more here. Yeah, these are very sweet fruit, and it's wild, and also you can plant them. Like when I was growing up, it used to be wild, but nowadays my mom tells me I think she grows it for her grandchildren, so that when they come visiting, at least they get some fruits. Yeah, and that's my home over there, up there. How you can see? Yeah, that one. That's my home. More tomato trees. Oh my god, did I see a chameleon? I am scared of chameleons. So if I see it, the story will be over. Right now, right here. Let me put my berries over here.